Hey guys, it's Kylie. I wanted to show you how I make a low point pulled pork. Pulled pork can be a bit higher in points, and so a lot of times I do mainly eat chicken. But that being said, what I do to make a pulled pork is I take boneless pork chops. These are pre-frozen. My husband cuts all the fat off the meat before I even freeze it because I'm weird. I don't like fat to be on my meat. So I'm just putting these in frozen. Yes, I'm putting my crock pot on low here. I'm gonna take some applesauce here. I feel like applesauce really gives pork a good flavor. So I'm doing some applesauce. That's just one individual, no sugar added applesauce. It's not gonna add any points. This is G Hughes sauce. I've got about that much of the jar left. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of it in there. This is the G Hughes sweet and spicy. Next, I'm gonna add some barbecue seasoning. This is the seasoning from Buc-ee's. It's just barbecue. Adding that in there. Whew. This one always makes me cough when I smell it. I don't know why. It's just strong. Y'all, it is strong. Okay. Putting it on low, and then I'm gonna cook it for about 5 or 6 hours, and it'll be perfect. So this is all I do to make it pulled pork is whenever it's done cooking, I just shred it up really small, and then it ends up being, I think, somewhere between 3 or 4 points for the serving. I will calculate that out and let you guys know, but then I just put it on toasted low point bread, and it's perfect. So here's my pulled pork recipe. Love you guys so much.